Time for a trip.
Yeah.
Just writing. Mom already took down the tray table. I'm not gonna use mine.
Comes higher and then you'll sit there and yourself looking mighty fine.
So we just landed. Pretty bumpy coming in, but now we're gonna go get the bags and everything, and then get in our car and head to my grandma's house. Okay guys, we just got back from the airport. We are now here in Colorado at my grandma's house. The door is opening behind me. It's getting kind of breezy here. You know, those afternoon thunderstorms that happen here a lot. But anyways, we're here. I'm just gonna hold this door shut because it keeps opening. But anyway, we are gonna go up to the mountains in like a week, so I'll have another video for that, so stay tuned for that. We might go ziplining. I think they might be closed right now, but we are definitely going to go mountain biking. But my wrist is all good. It's been good for like a week now. Still can't bend it completely back, but you know, just physical therapy and stuff like that, just new movements. But anyway guys, I want to show you something that I did bring that's pretty cool. I got this set up. It's my just PlayStation. Since this TV does not have an HDMI, it's a little old. All I had to do, guys, was download this app, this software. It's totally free, PS4 Remote Play, and then have the HDMI in here. Same with the controller connected. You can also do it wirelessly, but I couldn't get it to work on this computer, so I just got to do this. Checking for an update. My PS4 is on. Then I hit this button right there. It's searching for my PS4, which is right here. It is connecting, guys, and there we go. We are in. So I am in here just like this, and it is perfect, guys. So yeah, I mean, I've been gaming a little bit during the night and stuff, been playing with some friends. But yeah, this is a cool little setup. But yeah. So that, guys, is going to be the end of the video for today. Obviously, I told you that I am going to be doing a video up in the mountains, maybe a few, I don't know. But stay tuned for that, guys. I know this video was kind of just not me talking at all during the airport. It was kind of honestly stressful a little bit, just getting through, as traveling always is. But anyway, guys, please like this video, subscribe, share with your friends. I hope this video gave you a little bit of insight of what it is like to travel with the circumstances going on around in the world right now. And yeah, so everyone had a mask on. The plane had 75 people in it out of like 160, I believe, 170. So every other seat was taken, so it was perfect. I wiped down everything. I checked my temperature multiple days in a row. I am perfect. I have no symptoms or anything, so I'm fine. We're still going to monitor. We're kind of quarantining in the house for a few more days, and then we'll go up to the mountains and have some fun. But anyway, guys, like I said, please like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, do whatever you want with this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.